Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like auto ads or like .things from your Cat S75. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that, or you're trying to visit any site just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So the first method, go to the settings, then choose the apps and tap on the all apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just click on the app like that and choose uninstall. Click OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. Then choose the storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Choose clear all data and OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to use the antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm using the Avast. So in this application, we have to tap on the continuous free and tap on the green circle. Now allow permissions, so tap on the allow and click the switcher. Go back to the application and choose scan type. I'm always using the deep scan if I have any problem with my phone. And after the scanning process, your phone should be free from notification software, malwares, viruses, etc. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.